It's a sheer joy to greet you again. On Independence Day last year, I launched the name of a digital news media brand, The Probe, promising you that in the months that would follow, we will create a credible news media platform in India which will only focus on stories that matter to you. In the last 7 months, my team and I have been striving to put together a fact-based, independent media venture to realize this mission. And I'm happy to inform you that The Probe is launching on April 6th. In a crowded media space, you must be wondering, what is it that The Probe would bring to the table for you? How is The Probe going to be not just different, but distinct? How is The Probe's journalism going to impact your life? Will The Probe be just another news platform that would grab your attention to sell ads? The emergence of The Probe is a result of my 20 years of learnings from mainstream news media houses in India. The Probe believes that the intelligence of the audience must be respected. Your time must be valued, and it is our duty as journalists to provide you with only facts so that you can make your own informed decisions. I also want to inform you that we will remain ad-free in a media ecosystem where majority of news channels run on ad revenues, because we strongly believe that good journalism will always have an audience, and our fate is dependent on you and the journalism we do. Today, when breaking news, paid news, fake news and propaganda that is published in the form of news is spreading like wildfire, we have decided to do slow journalism. We have decided that it is time to apply the brakes of conscience and slow down the way news is covered, which means we will only focus on stories where we can add value. We will investigate and dive deeper, but our job doesn't end there. We will look for solutions and focus on impact. We will do it slowly but steadily. And in the days to come, with your support, I can assure you that you will be able to see how you can be part of a reformative, transformative journalism movement, a revolution. And together, we can make a difference. I will see you on April 6th, and here's a request from me to you. Please support The Probe by becoming a member of our community. Thank you.